There's a new celebrity. Bubble. Bubble, the new celebrity. Bubbles, the new celebrity birdie. Yeah, you're a celebrity, aren't you?
Hello, Snowball.
Don't you mean rat?
Yeah, she's been naughty today.
I heard. That's why I said rat. Where's Andy's boy? Andy's celebrity, aren't you? Eh?
Watching more Bad Girls?
Yeah. He's Andy's special boy, a bub-bub, innit? He's a bub-bub. You're Andy's special boy.
You telling them I love you, Max, are you? You said I love you to them, did you? Love you too, Max.
I suppose I said happy birthday.
I love you too, Max.
Has he seen what he's doing for dinner yet?
He's under. Have you seen what's for dinner yet, Lee? Have you seen what's for dinner yet? Yes.
Did you hear me trumping last night?
Yes. I didn't pull him out with the quilt because I was laughing.
I even pumped in bed as well.
I know, I heard. I haven't had enough dairy for my lactose to start.
Well, yeah, I know. Eggs.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to edit this and put music on it because I've pressed record and yeah, I've got it pre-recorded.
Nice to know, Max, that everyone's seen you have a poo. How lovely.
Ew.
All the viewers have seen you have a poo. Well, thanks. What do you mean you're welcome?
Yeah, I was just about to say you're welcome.
What do you mean you're welcome?
Your brother's just had a po-po, Max.
I don't know what to say you have
I mean,
a poo.
bub-bubs. Bubba. Max has just had a po-po. Just so I let you know, Baba. Yeah, your little brother's had a poo-po. You had a little poo-po.
You pooped. You pooped on my live. Is that what you think of? Is that what you think of? Is it?
Yeah, he thinks TikTok's a load of poo-poo.
Thank you everyone for the follow. I mostly do lives and I'm doing videos on my TikTok now.
I don't. Can't stand TikTok anymore. Because TikTok's gone downhill like YouTube.
There's a canary, Bubble. And there's me budgie, Snowball.
The rat.
I've got the towel there because I don't want to get damp with the amount of squirt she gets. And there's my kakariki, Max. Yeah, I'm okay, Max, don't worry.
Thank God you can do more. The freezer is packed.
Is it?
Okay. He's talking as if the freezer's never been packed before.
I want you back in my life. Want you back by my side. Cause that's where you belong. You're trying to hide from the camera, but you can't hide. You can't hide. There you go. What are you doing your cutesy face for? You're doing your cutesy pose there. Yeah.
I heard you read it twice. Just for you. You're dead. Did you know you got garlic mushrooms?
Yes.
Right, those are
I like garlic mushrooms.
yeah, I don't really like them.
I do. I love garlic mushrooms.
Yeah, I've got, how many bags did I get?
It was 3.
I think I got 3 bags. No, I think I got so many for £5. I think it's,
What was it?
can you check? I can't remember how many I got. Hey Max, tell them to like and follow and share. Like, follow and share, he says. 3. You got 3 for £5. Yeah, tell them to like, follow and share. You tell them.
Mitchell, come and take it. Now start to think it's working.
Okay. Oh, I love my mushrooms. Did you tell them, Max?
How's
to
your
like
battery doing?
To like, follow and share? It's at 56. I just love this one. It's even better when the lights on them. Oh, keep it there.
I would if you didn't move your arm.
They little diamonds, I love them. I'll show you my nail varnish with my sister. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll put the torch on so you can see bubs.
Oh, thank you. The glitter, the proper, they're not the cheap glitter you get. These are proper glitter nail varnish, and it really sparkles in a certain light. That's actually cut up at the tip. They are lovely when you get into a